Amit, what was your impression after attending these hearings for last 3 days? You intervened. Why did you feel the need to intervene? And after these extensive hearings for 3 days, what is your impression of the situation on ground?
We have been in JMC with our volunteers doing various works in JMC. We had seen what is exactly there and what's exactly lacking in JMC. Now, we made our efforts, doctors were making their efforts, but the administration seems to have failed in a lot of aspects of it. And that was the reason the government also had failed. That was the reason when we thought that the too many deaths which occurred in the intervening night of 10th and 11th, 11th and 12th, 12th and 13th, and the major causes which we witnessed personally was improper oxygen supply. Now, there was no way High Court had passed earlier orders, of course, on petitions which were general in nature. So we had to bring it to the notice of the High Court that there is something very prominently missing, and that is the proper oxygen supply, which led to the deaths of a lot of patients. And that's why, to appraise the High Court, we actually put for the actual situation on ground zero, that is at JMC, and sought intervention of the High Court to take everyone to task. And that is what was achieved during the hearings of the High Court, when the High Court insisted that not just the lawyers, but the administration, the doctors, the dean, and everyone was taken to task or asked to come on the hearing, on the virtual hearing that happened. And solution was sought to be found. Of course, for 3 days, in spite of directions, there was still so much that was expected, which led to more deaths. High Court expressed their absolute frustration over what is happening, and then it took another day more to get a little bit of improvement in the situation, which we saw last night. But before that, so many things which were prominent, which could have been sorted
Amit,
without intervention of the High
before I
Court.
go to Dr. Salkar to understand this in a better way, are you saying that this is happening for more than 10 days now? And administration got geared up only after the High Court intervened, after you guys approached the High Court?
Certainly. In fact, there was not much coming forth from the administration. Lot of these things could have been found out much prior. Why did it have to be found out after High Court intervened, or on our intervention petition orders were passed, and then you went to find out what are the glitches which are actually there? You found out after that the oxygen system which is being followed up in the GMC block, old one, is archaic system. Why did you not do it for last 1 year? You had a chance to prepare for 1 year. You did not do it.